Good evening, guys, and welcome back to my program SMTV. Guys, last time I was very happy uh, gaining some reactions from the viewers and from my families, from my aunties. I'm very thankful to him, and he really encourages me a lot. Especially, I am really thankful to my aunties and my cousin brothers. They really appreciated me a lot, and I'm very thankful to him. And so guys, there is no any personal reasons to came out onto the YouTube channels, and making a vlog channel, so because it is somewhere, I am feeling that I have something to expose, to share with the viewers, to share with the people, that is most important thing of my life, and currently what I am doing. So the condition forces me in this platform, to expose myself. So that's why I am standing between you, and I am really today I am feeling very privileged amongst all of you. So thank you very much giving a lots of supports, um, and uh, and looking forward to uh, support in the future as well. Let's introduce myself briefly. I'm uh, I'm a student of Jamia Millia Islamia, and I have done a graduation from there. And after that, so many things I tried to making my future, but almost failed. Uh, Dreaming from the childhood, I want to become a cricketer, and that is a reason that I always wanting to study in a big colleges, in a big places, and that's why I prefer in Jamia Millia Islamia. My big brother, he's helped me a lot for me, and he gave me admission somehow, and I managed to stay there, and proceeding my studies, so that was a great achievement, and Jamia Millia Islamia, it is a great university, and the students are thinking to reaching there, to study at that places, so I am very lucky for that. Finally I take admission, and after that, I so many times, number of occasions, I get so many chance to become a cricketer, so this was my so this was my childhood dreams to become a cricketer. I always thinking like that, and once upon a time my mother said to me, I want to one of my son become a cricketer, and that's why I am planning to do that. So many times I tried, and I worked hard. Every morning I went out to the grounds and making a practice, and came at my rooms, I think at 8 o'clock or 6 o'clock. But I think it's a completely wasting of time. I don't know what is wrong with me. I don't know. I tried lot of my hard work. I tried my level best, but I don't achieve. It is my bad luck or unlikely to happen. But after that, when I realized that this is a wasting of time, continuously, so many times, I think 5 years and 6 years I waste my time, and after that, I realized that this is not going to achieve. This is I'm spoiling my time. So so guys, most important thing is that I'm telling you my stories, my wasting time, because I waste a lot of time in my life, and that's it. That is exactly paying right now, so uh, I'm always suggest to the youngsters, when he passed out the schoolings, and they determined his mind, that I'm studying. Beside that, I have to some work and earn some money. That is most important thing, and you will survive that. But I don't do that, because I was when I was in the college. I was in the Jamia Millia Islamia. I take a 3 years. It was a 3 years graduations. I took 6 years because of my just sports interests, because I wanted to be a cricketer, and after that I don't get it my reward, so that was my biggest upset in my life. So I don't want to remember once again, but I always curse to myself that I really mistrust to myself, and I misusing myself in some wrong ways, and I was not lucky that I achieved my target. So friends, so many things happened to my life. So many ups and downs came to me, and there is lots of reasons to wasting of time to moving to the cricketing side. But uh, it doesn't mean that I don't try at my level. Talking about the Jamia Millia Islamia, it was a great university, and everybody like to study that university, and I'm very lucky for that. And I was studying at the Jamia, and the first day of the Jamia, when I entered into the Jamia, I was moving around and taking a knowledge about the sports. So my dreaming is that becoming a cricketer. That is my first priority, and after that, after so many information I get, first of all trials, and suffered from lots of hard work. So I did it. But unfortunately I don't succeed in that way. So I don't upset, I don't complaining against me, but you know and most important thing happened to my life. When I passed out after the so many wasting of time, I came back from the Jamia Millia Islamia, and giving a time into the sports, and after wasting of lots of time, once again I take admission in MBA. Once again I took 2 years to completing my MBA, and after that, some things happened to me. I don't know, something happened wrong with me, and there is some health issues coming to me. So I was so much injured that moment, and after that, when I get well, so when I recovered, when I get well, then I realized that I completely wasting of time. I don't know what to do, and how my life will be secured. So I so I when I completing my MBA, then I decided to go Gulf countries. So I gave the interviews, the basis of my MBA qualifications. And I am getting a very easily selected, and I selected uh, um, as a restaurant manager, and I work hard very well there. 2 years I worked there, and after that there is so much hard work. But there is I was satisfied from my job. When my contract is completing, so there when my contract is it's already completed in 2 years, then I resigned to my company. And what I was thinking about me, I will definitely I find out my job, and I will be this time I am working as a very small salaries, and I will. So my family wanting to forces me a lot to getting engagement. After that, after you came back after 1 year, so you will get married. So I was it's looking very unsatisfied. But somehow my big brothers, they wanting me, they pushing me pressure. So I'm just get married, and after that, uh, so many times I try to go out to try to Gulf countries, try to other countries, but I don't find out any jobs. And lots of failures I suffered in my life. So many ups and down in my life. So I'm working hard to achieve my target. As and So friends, when I came back from the other Gulf countries, I set up my own business. And after that, now I have a two business. Despite the mind is completely and drive me other ways. So I'm always searching some new things, learning something, discovering new things. That is really pushing me some other way. So actually, my friend, what I am talking about, I learned a lot of things in my life in a very small ages. So lots of things I have to share with you, and it is not an easy task. In a second videos I'm going to disclose everything. So you have to wait for some time. What is my motive to came on to this platform? I has to suggest to the youngsters that they are wasting the time in a playing in a some other things, which is very dangerous. So this time the life is very fast, life is a very unpredictable, so you have to be ready for every kind of problems. From my past life, about my schooling, about my college life, so many ups and downs and so many miserable conditions, you know uh, dreaming of my life what was, you actually knows that, the main thing is that I don't achieve it is regret in my whole life, but what can I do for that? I really don't want to remember those things which is happened in my past time, so for that I just wanting to make a friendship with the viewers and the camera, so that's why I came onto the YouTube channel, and this is a good platform, and wanting to share with you some good ideas, and so many concepts I have to regarding futures, regarding to making a careers, so that will be a very important for the youngsters and any matured persons, so guys, thank you very much to watching my videos, and till then, goodbye and bye.